Hi, I'm Katie, and I'm going to be telling you about Objective 4.6. The urinary bladder has three openings, two ureteric orifices where the ureters enter the bladder, and the internal urethral orifice which opens into the urethra. The triangle that's formed by connecting these three openings is called the trigone. The female urinary bladder has one sphincter, the external urethral sphincter, which lies within the urogenital diaphragm. It's a tube-like structure. The male urinary bladder has this external sphincter as well as an internal sphincter which lies immediately superior to the prostate gland. Sympathetic urine innervation to the bladder occurs via nerves arising from T11 through L2 and passing through the hypogastric plexus here. These nerves stimulate urinary retention by relaxing the detrusor muscle so the bladder can fill with urine while simultaneously contracting the internal sphincter. Parasympathetic innervation, on the other hand, occurs via pelvic splanchnic nerves arising from S2 through S4, and these nerves stimulate urination by contracting the detrusor muscle while relaxing that internal sphincter muscle to allow urine to flow. Finally, somatic innervation to the external urethral sphincter occurs via the deep perineal branch of the pudendal nerve arising from S2 through S4. Here we have the rectum, anal canal, and anus. The internal anal sphincter is involuntary and remains contracted most of the time. It surrounds the superior 2/3 of the anal canal, while the external anal sphincter, which is voluntary, surrounds the inferior 1/3. It consists of subcutaneous, superficial, and deep portions. The pudendal nerve, which originates from anterior rami of S2 through S4, provides the primary innervation to the perineum. It leaves the pelvic cavity via the greater sciatic foramen, passes between the sacrospinous ligament and the sacrotuberous ligament, and enters the perineum inferior to the pelvic diaphragm via the lesser sciatic foramen. The pudendal nerve gives off three branches: the inferior rectal nerve, which innervates the external anal sphincter and perianal skin, the perineal nerve with its deep and superficial branches, and the dorsal nerve of the penis or clitoris.